Hey guys, and welcome to Learn How to Dance, where you can find dance tutorials of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, popular dance moves, and other awesome dances. Alright, so today we're going to do a dance tutorial on how to do the No Wahala TikTok dance. Okay, as always, I'm going to break it down into some mini sections, starting with mini section 1. Alright, let me quickly show you what you're about to learn. Alright, so the first mini section goes like this. Boom, bam, ba 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 ba. Hey guys, I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. Now let me break it down for you. So, what you want to do is prep to jump and cross. Yeah, so this is my left leg. I want to say right goes boom. Okay, jump cross. So I'm going prep, jump cross. From here, I want to turn around. Boom. So the way I turn around is, you can do however you want. You can go flat foot, or you can go heel. Yeah, this is my right on heel, left on toes. Boom. Now from here, what you want to do is jump out on your heels. Boom. All right. And then right away you want to go down, turning your toes inwards. Yeah, so I'm going to do this with my feet. Boom, down. Yeah, so this is how it goes. Boom, down. Okay, so let's just rewind. We did jump cross, turn around, and then from here, up on your heels, down. Now you can't stay up here for too long. This is a very weird position, so you just want to go straight down, all right? So let me just rewind. Boom, round, up, down. Okay, might be a bit slower than that, but that's basically it. Now from here, what you want to do, the last step in mini section 1 is you want to say jump kick. And you want to jump and kick your right up. Alright, doesn't have to be that exaggerated. Alright, you can go boom if you want. Okay, so we did turn around, heel down, and then jump kick. Alright, that's mini section 1. Okay, before we start practicing, the timing goes something like this. I'm just going to show you. Alright, let's practice. I'm going to go 5, 6, 7, and 8, and then I'm going to sing ba-na-na-na-na. Alright, so we want to prep the jump and land on ba-na-na-na-na. Alright? Na-na-ba-ba-ba. Alright? So 5, 6, 7, 8. Ba-na-na-na-na. Ba-na-na-na. Let's try that again, same tempo. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ba-na-na-na-na. Ba-na-na-ba. Alright, let's try one last time, a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ba-na-na-na-na. Ba-na-na-na. Alright, if you need to practice some more, just pause the video, practice some more, and then resume afterwards. Alright, mini section 2, let me just show you a quick preview. It goes woom, ba, ba, and. So this part is very simple. Let me just break it down for you. Right after the kick, you just want to bring it down, and then you want to step out with your left, woom, back in, right, back in, one more time, left, back in, right, back in, yeah? The arms, the first one is doing hey, and, and then you want to do like, I don't know what this is, hammer, hammer, twice, and then you want to go pistol, pistol, and, okay, pretty simple. When you combine it, it's going to look like this. Woom, in, woom, tap, tap, hey, and. Alright, so the tempo is very plain in the sense that you go 1, 2, 3, 4, and. Alright, so this is where it switches up, double tempo. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. So just try with me. We're just gonna do it to the count. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try with me. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the music goes something like this. I'm gonna try my best to hum the song, alright? So it goes ba iya no na na iya no na na. Okay, try and practice with me. 5, 6, 7, 8. Iya oh na na iya oh na na. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Iya oh na na iya oh na na. Okay, make sure to practice it enough so you can do it fast. Okay, moving on to minute section 3 now, and the final minute section. Alright, so it goes something like this. Boom, A, and ba. Now let me break it down for you. So what you want to do is jump both legs, boom. Alright, notice how my toes are pointing slightly inwards, because what I want to do now is, when I isolated, my right is doing whoom, so I'm lifting my toes to the side. Pretty simple, right? The left leg is just lifting, right, like that. So when you combine it all together, you want to say jump, and then you want to do boom. Okay, let's try that again. We're going 5, 6, 7, 8, jump, boom. Okay, feel free to pause and rewatch it and do it over again, okay? You just want to repeat this once more, boom, and then from here, you want to prep to say jump kick, boom, alright? So, I'm putting almost all of my weight on my right leg, so jump and say kick with my right, and that's the whole dance. So, let's just rewind here. We did boom, A, and kick. Now, as for the timing, the song pretty much repeats itself, so it goes something like and boom. Alright, try and practice with me. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna go and ba. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and now ba. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go and a ba. Alright guys, time to do it all the way from the tip to top. I'm just gonna do a quick run through and then we're gonna practice. Okay, so a quick run through. From the tip to top, it goes like this. You wanna say prep, jump, cross, turn around, and then heel, down, kick, down, and then out left, in, out right, ba, ba, pistol, and last part, boop, A, and kick. Now, the timing goes something like this. Na 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 and na 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 ka ka na 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 and ya na 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 and ba. So, let me just show you how it looks when you do it a bit faster. It goes na 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 iya na 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 ka ka iya na 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 iya na 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 and ba. Alright, time to practice. We're gonna start super slow. 5, 6, 7, 8 na 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 and ba. Alright, let's try that a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8 na 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 na. Alright guys, now I just need to practice it over and over again until you can do it fast, okay? I'm just gonna do it one last time to the normal tempo, okay? It goes something like this. Na 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 na. Boom! Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And if there's a specific dance or dance move that you want me to cover, then let me know in the comments. Alright, thank you guys so much, and until next time.